Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of our Jailbreak news series. Today, we have some groundbreaking news for all you iOS enthusiasts out there. Just a few days ago, developer Felix PB released not one, but two powerful kernel exploits for iOS devices running iOS 15.0 to iOS 16.5. So, if you're eager to get your hands on a jailbreak for iOS 15.5 up to iOS 16.5, A12 plus devices, this news is going to blow your mind. First things first, let's take a look at what this exploit is all about. The project is called KFD, which stands for Kernel File Descriptor, and it enables the performance of kernel memory read/write operations on iOS and macOS. Now, the interesting part is that these exploits allow the retrieval of dangling PTEs, or what the developer refers to as PUAF primitives, which stands for physical use after free. Intriguing, right? Now, you might be wondering if these KFD exploits can lead to a full iOS 16 jailbreak on newer devices. Well, the answer is a resounding yes. And we've got some insights to share on how it's possible. According to Dopamine Jailbreak developer at OPA 334, the power of this kernel exploit is undeniable, especially when combined with a PPL bypass. For A12 plus devices, a PAC bypass would also be required, but with a PPL bypass in place, it's still feasible to create a jailbreak that supports iOS 15.5 all the way up to iOS 16.5, and even iOS 16.6 Beta 1. This includes all the modern devices, like the much coveted iPhone 14 Pro. It's like the iOS jailbreak community just struck gold with this release. Not only is this the first read/write kernel exploit publicly available for iOS 16, but it's also incredibly potent. Now, for those of you eager to get your hands on this KFD jailbreak exploit IPA file for iOS 15.5 to iOS 16.5, there's something you should know. The KFD project, released by Felix PB, is completely free and open source, but as of now, there's no compiled IPA file readily available for you to test. But wait, don't lose hope just yet. I have some good news for you. I've taken the liberty of compiling the IPA file on my Mac and uploaded it as a release on my GitHub fork of the KFD project. However, I must clarify that this compiled IPA is not a jailbreak tool in itself. It's simply the compiled version of the KFD Exploit project, without any modifications. So, unless you're a developer or someone with the know-how, you'll still need to wait for an actual jailbreak tool to be created. If you're tech savvy and want to give it a shot, you can sideload the IPA using sideloadly, alt store, or your preferred method. And that's all the exciting news we have for today. Remember, these exploits can pave the way for some incredible jailbreak possibilities in the near future, so keep an eye out for updates from the developer community. Thank you all for tuning into our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay updated on the latest jailbreak news and much more. Until next time, this is Kekuk Tech signing off. Happy jailbreaking, and have a fantastic day.